Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pay with Google Pay on Pandabuy. So first you need to open Pandabuy. So let me open this app and let's suppose I want to buy this. Select the item and go add to cart, or you can click on buy now. So I want to click on buy now. Select the bag. Okay. Click on submit. Okay. And once you are on that page, click on submit and the next page will be open to the checkout. And here you can see different options. Currently I am in the region where Google Pay is not supported, but if you are in that region where Google Pay is supported, you will find an option here and you simply need to select that option and click on pay. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.